So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how to fix unidentified network in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Like if you are facing the no internet access problem in your Ethernet, then this video is exactly right for you, and in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. So before going to start the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's get started, shall we? I will show you a couple of steps, try each of them and see which one works for you. So the first step is really simple. It is to check your hardware connection. Check that if you have plugged the Ethernet cable to your PC correctly and to your modem correctly. And the second step is to restart your router or modem. So this is a pretty basic step, so make sure that you have done both of these two. So in step 3, just here go to search and search for CMD. And here right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator and click on yes. In your command prompt you need to type the followings. So I will also put this in the description below, so you can directly copy paste or you can also type it. So at first just type netsh winsock reset. So let me just copy it and let's go to command prompt and here let's paste it. And then just press on enter. And it is saying successfully reset winsock, and then copy the next one, which is ipconfig space /DNS. So let's copy and here let's paste it and then press on enter, and here it is saying successfully flush the DNS. And then let's copy the next command, which is ipconfig space /renew. So here just paste it and then let's press on enter. And it is successfully renewed. And now let's type exit and press on enter. And then again go to CMD and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator and then yes. And now here just type this netsh space int ip and then just press on enter. And here you can see that if you are seeing something like access is denied, then follow the next step. So the fourth step is to add a static IP address and DNS server. So for that just go to your control panel, search for control panel here, search for control panel and open the control panel, and here go to network and internet and here click on network and sharing center. And here just click on your connections, click on the Ethernet option here and then click on properties, and in your properties here you would find internet protocol version v4. Just click on here and then click on properties, and here if you see something like this, obtain an IP address automatically, then here click on this option, use the following IP address. And now here let's put the IP address, this IP address. I will also put it in the description below, so you can directly copy and paste it. And also here in the bottom section use the following DNS server, select this one and in the preferred DNS option put 11141 here, and in the alternate DNS option put this address and then click on OK and then click on close. And now just wait for a bit and try to restart your computer and see if this solved your problem or not. And if it didn't solve your problem, then let's move on to the next step, which is uninstall your network adapter from your device manager. For that just search here for device manager. Here just go to your device manager. And in your device manager here just click on network adapters, and in your network adapters here you would find your Ethernet connection option here. Just click on here and then right click here and click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. After uninstalling, then make sure to restart your computer and then your problem should be fixed. So let me restart my computer and let's see if it fixes our problem or not. So here you can see that after restarting our problem is fixed. If it solved your problem, then don't forget to hit the like button and also let others know that which step worked for you And if you face any problem, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.